Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
Dialogue, Ali Sara, lunchtime chat, topic, using at. Sara, hi Ali. What time is your lunch break? Ali, I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Sara, what are you having today? Ali, I'm having rice and chicken. Sara, sounds delicious. Ali, yes, I made it this morning. Sara, do you eat at your desk or in the cafeteria? Ali, I eat in the cafeteria with my friends. Sara, that's nice. Enjoy your lunch. Ali, thanks. You too.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.